Hi everyone, we have this problem at our hands today, right? So how do we solve this? First of all, we'll write what is there, right? So this is given 5 to the power x minus 3 to the power y, that is 13438, right? And another equation is given, that is 5 to the power x minus 1 plus 3 to the power y plus 1, that is 9686, right? Now there are two equations, there are two variables. What are the variables? X comma y. We have to solve for them. But let us rewrite this equation in a certain format. How will we write it? This is 5 to the power x by 5, right? And this is 3 into 3 to the power y, right? That is 9686. Now why did we write this? Because we are not trying to solve for x and y. We are trying to solve for 5 to the power x and 3 to the power y. Because then the equations will transform into linear equations. That is the idea. Now what we are going to do? We are taking this as a and this as b. How will the equations transform? The second equation will transform to this a by 5 plus 3b, that is 9686, right? And how the first equation will transform? That will transform to a minus b equals to 13438. Okay, so this is how the equations transform. Now you see, this is a linear equation. Solving this is pretty easy, right? First of all, we have to do what? We have to multiply this with 5, right? We are transforming this, so this is going to be a plus 15b, and like you have to spend some time in multiplying this. This will be what? 0 3 4 8 4. Okay, okay, so 48430 basically. Okay, all right. Now this is a minus b, that is simply 13, what, 13438, right? Now you mind, you do this minus everywhere, right? And how it will transform? This a will get cancelled, right? This a will get cancelled. We are subtracting this equation from this equation, so this is 16b equals to 34992. Okay, from this we can figure out what is b. So b is simply 34992 by 16, that is 2187. These calculations are a bit involving, but that is fine, right? Because sometimes you have to do such calculations. This is unavoidable. Okay, now we are going back to this a minus b equals to the equation that we had earlier. This a minus b equals to 13438. Okay, 13438. From this we can write a equals to 13438 plus 2187. Now this is 15625. Okay, now what is b? B is simply 3 to the power y, that is 2187, and this is 5 to the power x, that is 15625. Now generally I remember till 3 to the power 6. Okay, 3 to the power 6 is 729. Now we will use that. So if we multiply 3 again, what will happen? 2187, right? So that means 3 to the power y equals to 2187 and y equals to 7. Okay, y equals to 7, because we knew till 6 and we multiplied by 7. And generally I remember 5 to the power 4, that is 625. Okay, so 6, why do I remember this? Because this is simply 25 square. Okay, I generally ask my students to remember till 30 square, 1 square till 30 square. Okay, anyway, so 5 to the power 4 is 625. We will multiply this again by 5, which will result in 3125, and if you multiply it again by 5, this will be 15625. Okay, so then x is 6. Okay, now we have the values y equal to 7 and x equal to 6. That simply means x plus y is 13. Okay, hope you saw this solution through, you liked it, and So leave a like, share, subscribe if you would like to. Helps me a lot. And see you in another video with a new problem. Thank you for watching.